In this lesson, the two students that you see here, Kate and Christopher, use an applet called races to compare the journeys of two cars. For each race, Kate and Christopher can enter the number of miles and the number of minutes for the red car. They can also choose the number of miles and the number of minutes for the blue car. In this lesson, the goal is to figure out how to make the red car go faster or slower than the blue car.
Today, we're going to explore an applet that simulates two cars traveling.
Okay.
So your goal will be to figure out how to make the red car go faster or slower than the blue car. Before we start, play around a bit with the applet and tell me everything you notice.
Well, I noticed that the Ferrari, the red car, has distance of 10 miles, and it already is going faster. It has 5 minutes in. Lamborghini does 10 miles.
Oh,
in
yeah.
5 minutes.
Well, it doesn't mean it's going faster. It just
Oh,
going
it actually
longer.
means it is going
So it's ahead of the other one.
Why don't you see what else you can see about the applet?
yeah.
Can you press
Oh, yeah.
the go? Can you press
The red
go?
one already goes
Yeah,
slower
go.
because it's been going 5 minutes and it's upset.
Okay.
So go ahead and put some different numbers in there and see what you notice.
So, if the Ferrari goes 5 miles, then hit go. The Lamborghini actually reaches the 10 miles before the Ferrari even reaches 5 miles.
What did you notice, Kate?
Well, the blue one was fast.
So try some values in there and see what you notice. So what are you noticing?
Well, I wanted to see if they can go like same speed, but
Okay.
and like this one was still going the red one. Ferrari was still going a little bit slower
I think.
than the other one
How could you tell it was going slower?
because
the
the blue one reached a little ahead, and I could see the arrows.
The blue one was a little bit ahead. So which
yeah,
one was
so I'm
going
trying
slower?
to make it like even, but then the red one would still be going because the red one's going farther than the blue one. Well, not as far, but in less minutes.
So how can you tell if a car is going faster?
Because it goes ahead of it. Because
It
it
goes
goes
ahead
ahead
of-
of the other car.
Kate and Christopher have figured out something very important. They can tell when the red car is going faster or slower than the blue car by watching the red and blue arrows. If the red arrow is ahead of the blue arrow, then the red car is faster. As Christopher put it, the red car is faster than the blue car when it goes ahead of the blue car. If the red arrow is behind the blue arrow, then the red car is slower than the blue car. If the arrows are lined up with each other, or as Kate put it, the arrows are even, then the cars are going equally fast. Kate and Christopher also made another important discovery. At the beginning of this episode, Christopher made a guess that if the red car traveled for more time than the blue car, but the cars went the same distance, then the red car would be faster. But when they ran the race, it turned out that the red car actually went slower than the blue car.